Rosie and Spencer sent you something, and I want to see what's in there.
What is in there?
What's in there, Abel?
A baby. I want it.
It's Mikey, and I want it. You can have it. You can have it. It's for you.
Oh no, I don't need.
You looking for Donnie? I'm sure there's Donnie in there too. Wow.
Wow.
And rafts, right.
Wow.
And look, a Spider-Man truck. Fireman's truck. What else is in here? Look what I see. See what that one is.
A Batman. A Batman's car.
A Batman's car. Batman's on a bike.
Why?
Yeah. Let's see what else is in here. Leo. Let's see what else is in here. Oh, you're going to love this one.
Oh,
Hulk truck.
It's that.
And
It's that.
truck, right. And look who? Look, another one.
A baby.
A Mikey. Look, and there's another Mikey. A whole bunch. A whole bunch of Mikeys. And look, it's the Flash. The Flash. And look. Leo. Another Leo. And let's see who this one is. Another Leo. Abel, can you say thank you? Abel, can you say thank you?
I'll hold it.
You hold it? Say thank you, Reese. You say thank you to Reese? He's listening. Abel, say thank you. Can't even get his attention. Abel, hey, look at Mama. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Say I love it.
Was it?
Loves it.